Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Foetron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and in today's video, I will tell you how to add background music in PowerPoint. So, what's the need of background music in PowerPoint? It's actually when you want to show something that has an emotional approach for you as well as the people for whom you want to show that PowerPoint to. For example, if you are showing some family images to your relative, in that case you need a background music. Or in company, you want to motivate your employees or your employee, then you need a background music. Or sometime you need to show the growth of your company. For that also you need a background music. But not the least, you want to distinct out your PowerPoint slide from others, you add the background music. So with this point we will move forward and talk about the points to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, we will cover mainly 4 points. In the first point, I will tell you how to add background music in PowerPoint. Secondly, we will tell you how to make that background music to run automatically so that you do not need to click and run it every time. Thirdly, I will tell you how to make bookmark in your background music. And in the fourth and the last point of the video, I will tell you how to edit the background music. So all these things will be covered in today's video. So with this point, we will move forward into one PowerPoint slide and will tell you all these things how they will get into effect. Now let's move into PowerPoint itself. Now we are in PowerPoint. So this is a presentation that I want to present in my meeting. So if I show this now in a slideshow, it will seem something like this. I will go in a slideshow and play from the beginning. So this is something which I will show in my PowerPoint slide, which is not quite interactive, not quite motivational. So I want to do something else to make my PowerPoint distinct. In that comes how you add the music. That means background music in your PowerPoint slide. So first of all, this is your main slide. How can you add it? So for that, there is a tab that is insert option. When you click on an insert ribbon, you will see a lot of options through which you can add a lot of things. From pictures to table to online pictures, screenshot, photo album, you can add a multiple things in your slide. For now, what we are looking for? We are looking for adding the background music, right? For that, we will go into the media section. In a media section, you will see an audio option. So if you click in here, you will see a brief description about insert audio. Insert audio from your computer or a variety of online sources. You can also record audio with microphone. So when I click on it, you will see two options. Record audio. Like I am speaking now, it will record the same thing which I am speaking now, but I do not need that because will be present there and I will speak on my behalf only. So you want to add the background music. For that, just click on audio on my PC. It will give a description that insert audio from your computer or from other computer that you are connected to. So I will click on this. When I click on this, I will see that there are the two music file present in my computer. I will just click on this beautiful dream music play mp3 file and I will insert it. When I insert it, you will see something like this, and when I click on this, you will listen and you will see how the music plays. So I hope you have understood how this music plays. But I want to show you that how I run that in a background. So for now, if I do not make any adjustment, how it will be seen in my slideshow. For now, we will again go into the slideshow and from the beginning. So it is something seems like this. So when I go in my slideshow, then I click on my background music, then it will start playing, so which does not make a lot of sense. So I want to add my background music in a background and to run that automatically in the background. Not that I have to click on the sound and again click on the play button to run the background music. So for that, just click on the sound. When you click on the sound option that you seem added, then you will see two more options, that is format and playback. When you click on a format, you will see there are a lot of options. That is format for this audio tab. Like I want to make the changes like this, all these things. You can change a picture, you can add an artistic effect to this. This is an changes in the audio icon, not in a playback, not in the quality of the song. It just what the audio icon looks like. So if you want to make a correction, you can make it so light that it won't be visible to anyone, or you can make changes in these things also. So you can see there are a lot of changes you can do from here, but nothing you can do for the playback. For that you have a special tab that you go in the playback option. In a playback option you have play in background option. So in spite of no style, I will click on play in background. So when I click on playground, there are a lot of changes that happens in the setting in audio option. It will start automatically. If you want to click when clicked on, you can also do that. In spite of being gone there, I will tell you now how it will affect. Again, we will go in a slideshow and just click on from beginning. So now you can see the music is running in the background. So in spite of that, how many slides I will change, the music is still running, and it will stop only when I will reach the end of the slide. And this is how you will add the background music in your PowerPoint slide. But the thing is, if you want to make any changes in that audio, how can you do that? I have already told you the format option is available for the things that is related to the icon of the format. There is nothing much you can do with it. But if you want to play with music, if you want to make changes in the music itself, you have to go in the playback. In here, you will see first of all the preview option, that is play. When I click on it, you will see the music will play. Now we have a second button, that is bookmark. Like if the music is going down, you do not want that, you want a beat to pump up. So if I click in here, you will see the music is going a little bit high, and I will add a bookmark here. So when I click on the starting of my music, the music is playing and I want to go at the top, just I click on this and the music will start playing from that point only. That is how the add bookmark works. Now, what about the trim videos? Or if you want to remove this, you can also remove that bookmark from here. Like in my case, I will remove a bookmark again to show you how to do that. In spite of that, I want to trim my music. Like I want to edit out certain part of music. In that case, just I click on a trim music and you will see an option here. In option, you will, when you click, like this is a key and this icon I can delete from here to here. I only want to stick with this. You can do that, start time, end time. If you want to go a little bit forward, you can go with here. After that, you can play. So this is how you will trim or edit your audio background music in the PowerPoint. So I do not want to do that. I just show you how you can do that. So now we will cancel this. So what's the fading? So editing has a two option, trim audio and fade duration. So fade in and fade out. So like if you want to start your music very slowly, like it's just you do not want to music end with a stop, like the music ends duck, that means the music is not fading out. Just as the song ends, the music ends. So in our case, I want the music to start in slowly and end out slowly. So it won't make any much sense, like it won't make a lot of difference. So if the person is listening to it, so they knows little bit of music is coming, maybe it will grow and it will go out slowly. If it cut in between, so it will affect a lot of interaction. So you should take care of that how you can do that. So now after that we have an audio options. So these are the advanced tips for audio options and playing the music in a background. So all these things are tips and tricks for playing the background music effectively. Now what are the background? It should be low, medium, high. So it should be always medium, not that much high, because it will affect, like if you are speaking also and the music is also running in a high, you won't be able to communicate it effectively. The background music should be soothing, that is either the low or the medium according to your own speaker's quality. So if the speaker is not that good, you could go for medium, otherwise always run it in a slow. Or if you are just showing the photograph in a family or relative functions, then you can go for a high as well. So that depends upon on your presentation and upon the point at what you are interacting. So after that we have a start option that has an automatically in click sequence and when clicked on. So it will start according to these three options. So these are the options that is play across slides. So if you want that music should play only on one slide, then you should uncheck this. Otherwise you can click on this that the music will play throughout the all the presentations. Like in earlier case I have showed you all these music will be playing in PowerPoint. After that, we have an option loop until stopped. So this is a loop option. Like if the my music is around length of 1 minute 31 seconds. So if my slides go across this, like my presentation go above 1.31, I do not want the music to be stopped. It should be in loop, that it will start again from the beginning, so that the effect will be continuous. So the interaction will be continuous. So the attachment with our audience will be continuous. So the third option, that is hide during the show. Hide the audio clip icon during the slideshow. So if you want to do that, like when I click on it, you will see when I make it in a slideshow view, this icon will be removed from your slideshow, will not be shown. It is present in the background, but it will not be shown. So this is how it will work. Now after this option, we have a last option that is rewind after playing. Rewind the audio or video clip after it is done playing. So there are two ways through which you can play the music as well in PowerPoint. Either it could go from 0 to 10, or it can go from 10 to 0. That means it started from here, then it goes here, and again it goes back to 0. So this the rewind option also works, but be careful. Maybe the rewind music does not make a lot of sense. So it depends on your music as well. So be careful with all those things. Last but not the least, we have an audio styles. The plain background, no styles. So these are the options that you should work on, and these are the tips and tricks to make your background music effective as it is in my presentation. Like if I go in a slideshow again and start it from the beginning, so you can see how soothing the music is and how much the interaction it will create in my PowerPoint presentation. So I hope you have understood everything about the adding background music in PowerPoint. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries have been cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. If this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.